Hey there, I'm gonna be doing Christmas nails today and I'm using almond shaped full cover nail tips and I'm starting with Model 1's base gel and cure it for 30 seconds. I'm gonna be using this extension gel from Born Pretty. This is like a builder, so today I'm just gonna be using it to encapsulate some glitter. I finished applying a thin layer on all my nails and I'm gonna take some gold glitter and create like a French ombre. Once I'm happy with the position of the glitter, I'm gonna take this gel and encapsulate the whole nail. I always find encapsulating very pretty, but I never had like the right product to do it. This gel is actually very easy to work with and just dragging it around the nail slowly. This gel is not running at all, as you can see, it's staying in place, which is giving me plenty of time to work. You can use this gel as well on your natural nails or build a whole nail from scratch. In my case, I'm just using it on a full cover nail tip just to make this tip stronger because it was very thin. Once I'm happy with the shape I want, I will repeat the same step for all the nails and cure them for 60 seconds. And here are all the nails all encapsulated and cured. So right now I'm going to file and reshape them. But before I do that, I have to wipe the sticky layer with alcohol. Otherwise the nail file won't work properly. I'm gonna be creating an accent around the cuticle area with this beautiful gold glitter from Beetles. Today I'm gonna be using some stickers that I purchased on Amazon. If you are not good with nail art, stickers are always a good option. And as you can see, these ones are very pretty. And I'm gonna be inserting a picture, the whole pack over here. I'm gonna be leaving links for all the products used today in the description box below. And right now, as you can see, these stickers are really cute actually. I'm happy with them, and it's gonna save me a lot of time if I have to draw all this nail art. It would have taken me forever. I'm done placing all the stickers, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply my card top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. This is a non-wipe top coat, meaning that doesn't have a sticky layer once it's cured, and it's very shiny. This is one of my favorite top coats. And this is the nails. They are looking good, but for the final touch I'm going to apply cuticle oil. I purchased these ones on Amazon.ca. This pen system, I think, it makes it much easier to apply the cuticle oil and more evenly around the nail area. These nails are so cute today. I'm very happy with the results. And if you look closely, you can see the encapsulated glitter, which is really cute. This gel was very easy to work with, and I like the whole combination with the gold glitter around the cuticle area and the Christmas stickers. Thank you so much for everyone who stayed until the end of the video. I appreciate it very much, and I'll see you in the next one.